Getting to know the ReBuilder Conductive Socks and how to use them. When getting your ReBuilder Conductive Socks, open up the package. You will find the instructional trifold pamphlet. Next, you will find the pair of conductive socks that can be removed from the package. You will also receive a bottle of the ReBuilder electrolyte that is not shown here. You will find the snap connectors on each of the socks. This is where the lead wire will be plugged into for treatment of your ReBuilder. The snap connectors can be easily removed from the socks and reattached. Snap connectors' color and shape may vary. On the other side of the sock, you will find your warranty tag. Take your lead wire from your ReBuilder and find the silver prong of each end. With the snap connectors removed from the socks, insert the lead wire into it completely with the silver knot showing. Now turn the socks inside out. Spray the ReBuilder electrolyte evenly across each sock until the fabric is moist. More spray can be added if desired to enhance conductivity. When finished, turn each sock right side out. Before treatment, we recommend washing your feet with soap and water. With the socks turned right side out, roll the socks onto each foot. To reduce stretching, try to avoid pulling the socks on. Repeat the process for the other foot by rolling the sock on. After treatment, reverse the process to remove the socks and refer to the instruction manual for care and cleaning information. Attach the snap connectors back onto the socks. You can have the snap connectors attached to the socks as you roll them on, and then connect the lead wire. Use whatever method is easier for having the snaps connected with the lead wire. If not connected, connect the lead wire to your ReBuilder, and either model ReBuilder can be used for treatment with the conductive socks. Refer to the instructions for treatment information. Please watch our other videos for using the ReBuilder with other treatment options and other accessories. Visit us online at rebuildermedical.com to shop for accessories and supplies. Or call us toll-free at 877-717-5487.